Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, nature of employment. You know, the employment resources are provided by different sectors. So, nature of employment is also different based on different sources. What are the different sources? Employment sources. One is organized sector and other is unorganized sector. Two types of employment sources are there, organized sector and unorganized sector. In organized sector, it provided only 8% of employment opportunities. People, 8% of people, employees are working in organized sector, whereas 92% employees are working in unorganized sector. Unorganized sector provided 92% employment opportunities to the people. It is a huge resource to the people, employment resource to the people in unorganized sector. So here we have been going to learn about organized sector and unorganized sector. Look at this chart. So in organized sector, the employees and the employment source like large scale industries and government offices, like these provided employment opportunities. These employers follows rules and regulations formed by government. Organized sector follows the rules and regulations which formed by government, and employees in this sector enjoy security of employment. So employees without any fear, they continue their job, they have security, job security, and they are expected to work only for a fixed number of hours. In organized sector, employees work only for a fixed number of hours. They won't work more than a fixed hours. And workers, employees got pension also in organized sector. In organized sector, employees, they also get pension, and they get paid leaves, facilities like medical facilities, educational facilities for their children, residence facilities, this type of facilities, and more paid holidays. This type of all the job security opportunities are in organized sector. And in unorganized sector, so many people are working in unorganized sector. This unorganized sector doesn't follow any rules and regulations formed by government, and rules and regulations doesn't followed by this sector. Jobs are very low paid and not regular. There is no provision for paid leaves, holidays, and leaves due to sickness. No facilities available to the employees, to the workers who are in unorganized sector. Sometimes they may be removed from that work when there is no sufficient work. When there is no work, people may be asked to leave. There is no job security in unorganized sector. So many people are working in small scale industries, or they are working in hotels and cottage industries, or working as street vendors. So many people, nearly 92% people are working in unorganized sector. This unorganized sector doesn't follow any rules and regulations. People, there is no job security to the people. In this sector, people may engage as laborers in small scale industries, at hotels, work as street vendors, etc. So these are the organized sector and unorganized sector. In organized sector, job security is there, all facilities is there, they follow the rules and regulations. No employee could be removed without a proper cause. In unorganized sector, no job security, very low salaries, and they do not follow, the employer do not follow any rules and regulations. So this unorganized sector provided 92% employment opportunities, and organized sector provided only 8%. So this is the information about organized sector and unorganized sector.